Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's lecture, we will discuss the fuel characteristics and obviously the octane number and cetane number we will see in detail. The fuel is an important element of the internal combustion engine. As if many farm operations, threshing, harvesting, cutting, all these operations, even ploughing also, are depend on the traction or tractor. So fuel is an important element and we should know what are the fuel characteristics that we will discuss in this video, and what are the fuel tests we carry that we will discuss in next video. So the very common fuels used in our tractor are: first one is petrol, second one is high speed diesel, third one is low speed diesel, and last one is kerosene. So guys, here high speed diesel and low speed diesel are differentiated categories of diesel. So one question for you guys, just comment in comment section, what is the difference between high speed and low speed diesel and how their calorific values are different. Before starting further lecture, let me know you the mock test 2022 is live now. You can register yourself for this program until the 25th of April. Further details you might get on our Telegram channel. So guys, here we will see 4 fuel properties. First one is volatility, second one is calorific value, third one is ignition quality, and fourth one is detonation. So for an ideal fuel, how the properties should have range and how they affect on the efficiency of the fuel, we will discuss here. First one is volatility. So guys, it is an ability of any liquid to convert it into vapor. So if we have any liquid like water, oil, etc., at certain temperature it converts into vapor. Likewise, water converts into vapor at 100 degrees centigrade. So volatility of water is remarked at 100 degrees centigrade. Likewise, very fuels are having different temperature ranges where they get convert into vapor. For IC engine, volatility should be such that fuel convert into vapor before starting of the burning process. We know in the compression section, compression stroke, the air in the cylinder get compressed and there the fuel should get converted into vapor to have maximum efficiency. In IC engine, all the liquid fluid must be converted into vapor fuel before the burning. The high speed diesel oil is the most difficult to vaporize. Vaporizing temperature for high speed diesel oil is higher than that of the petrol. Hence the petrol vaporizes quicker than the diesel oil in the engine cylinder. This helps easy in starting the petrol engine. If all the liquid fluid is not well vaporized, it would do crankcase oil dilution. And if the vaporization is too high, then it may create the chance of vapor locking. So here you will observe guys, the volatility should not be much high and much low. If it is much low, then it will create crankcase dilution problems, and if it is much high, then it will cause the vapor locks. What is vapor lock? We will see when we will discuss the fuel system. So here just remember, the petrol has higher volatility than diesel. Again, the volatility considered effect on the performance of engine. It gives ease to starting of the engine. The degree of crankcase oil dilution is depend on the volatility. Formation of vapor lock in the fuel system also affected by the volatility of the fuel. Then acceleration characteristics of engine are depend on volatility. Also the distribution of fuel in multi-cylinder engines are also depend on volatility. So it was about volatility, and the point should be marked that the high speed diesel has more volatility and petrol has more volatility than diesel. Calorific value. The heat liberated by the fuel during the combustion is called as calorific value. So calorific value are asked for every fuel. We will see a chart of it. So calorific value is amount of heat generated or energy generated from per kg of fuel. If you have 1 kg of petrol, yes, obviously kg, not liter. Here not liter. So if we are having 1 kg of petrol, then how much energy of petrol created from 1 kg? It should be expressed in kilocalories, and it will be the calorific value of that fuel. We will see the detailed chart in next upcoming slides. So guys, here ignition quality, it referring to the ease of burning of the fuel. It is expressed via octane number and cetane number. Again, the octane number is the percentage of isooctane. So guys, remember the formula of isooctane. Isooctane's formula is C18H18. It is chemical formula, so 18 will be at down suffix expressed. So C18H18 is the formula of the isooctane, and it is present in the mixture of isooctane and heptane. It is mostly considered for petrol engine or petrol fuel. The octane number is considered, and if the fuel should have rating of 100, then it will have good anti-knocking qualities. Heptane is not good for ideal fuel. If heptane is present rigorously in the fuel, it will help in knocking. So it will start making sound while burning. So if the heptane is present vigorously, then the given rating is 0. So guys, octane number is a number of percentage of isooctane in the any fuel. Like mostly in petrol we decide the octane number. We can find octane number in diesel fuel also, but in diesel fuel the presence of octane, isooctane, is very small. So we define the quality of diesel fuel on the cetane number. So the cetane number is considered for diesel fuel. It is the percentage mixture of cetane and alpha methyl naphthalene in the diesel fuel rated according to cetane number. Rating given in the range of the 30 to 60, and higher cetane number is implies to higher ignition quality. So this was about octane and cetane number. The points that should be remembered that octane number is percentage of isooctane, whereas cetane number is percentage of cetane and alpha methyl naphthalene in diesel fuel. The octane number is rated about in the rating of 100 for good anti-knocking qualities, as well as heptane is present. If it is vigorously present, then rating given as 0, which helps in knocking. Then in cetane, it is mixture of cetane and alpha methyl naphthalene. The range of rating is given in 30 to 60, and a higher cetane number gives higher ignition quality of the diesel. So it was about octane and cetane number. Here you will find the API degree, specific gravity and calorific value of these 4 oils. First one is light diesel or low speed diesel. The API degree is 22. What is API degree we will discuss in fuel characteristic video. So in light diesel oil it is 22. Specific gravity is 0.92 and calorific value is 1030 kilocalorie per kg. So guys, here the maximum calorific value is of petrol, which is followed by kerosene, then high speed diesel and low speed diesel. So low speed diesel has less calorific value and petrol has more calorific value. Again, just mug up this data. It will directly ask in MCQs. Last one and very simple property of the fuel, the detonation. It refers to the violent noises heard in the engine. Sorry, here is spelling mistake. It is engine. It refers to the violent noise heard in the engine in the process of combustion. The combustion is process of burning fuel. So while fuel is getting burned, the fuel make noise which is called as detonation. It is The detonation will cause the rise in pressure and it will lead to loss of power. Also, if the detonation is in large number, it will result in overheating of the engine. So these are some consequences of the detonation. So this about the 4 important properties of the fuel: volatility, calorific value, then detonation and ignition quality. These are our some platforms, as well as we are on Instagram. Follow us and encourage us for creating such step for agriculture engineering students. Thank you.